Hey there everybody. In a recent video I showed you my new binder system for organizing craft supplies, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I thought we would take a look today at what is in my pen bag that goes with this little setup here. I was very specific about what I put in that pen bag. I did not want to get it overcrowded, but I wanted to have access to all kinds of art supplies in a condensed form. I know that I talk a lot about condensation, and I don't mean that drippy stuff, but I talk about doing things in small batches and doing things in a condensed sort of arena here, but it's because for me, it just works better like that. I can think better if I've got just small chunks of things to think about, and not a whole lot of craft supplies. When I have like a whole lot of stuff like on my desk, I get confused, and I also can't find anything. So what do we have in here? We have a handy dandy white Posca pen. So handy for any sort of embellishment. You can do dots, you can do circles, you can do squares, you can do triangles, you can do all kinds of like little sketchy bits, swirly things with this Posca pen, as well, the white as well as the black. So I've got a black and white Posca pen in here. I've got a Blick glue stick. Now this is the, you know, it's not the fat glue stick. It's like the small-ish glue stick, and I just love Blick, and bless her heart, Michelle sends those to me, and I'm so grateful. I have a mono Tombow eraser. I love these kinds of erasers because this is a plastic eraser. They are easy on paper, and that's why I like them so much. Now, talking about paper and erasing, I've got a couple of super cool pencils. This is a Simply sketching pencil. It's a 6B, and I've had these forever, and I don't even remember where they came from. But boy, do I love these pencils. This is a Dialer Rowdy, and this might be one too. Yeah, Dialer Rowdy. I'm sure I'm saying that the wrong way. You guys know what I mean. They're a well-known pencil maker. And I do have a mechanical pencil in here as well, because I'm fond of using these. I have a pencil sharpener, and we talked about, you know, pencil sharpeners and how much fun they were in school, and go into the school store in my previous video, and I'll put a little iCard up there so you can click on that and take a look. I have a really small palette of paints. Again, I don't know where this came from, but I have adored it for years and years, and you can see that I have not used it very much. So I've got a little palette of paints if I want to paint something. I've got some handy dandy small scissors, and that works great for me. I have a wet brush. This is a Derwent wet brush. I love these things, man, and I've used this one a lot and kind of dulled the end of it, but it still serves me really well. So now I've got that to go along with this little set of paints. And last but not least, this Crafter Square liquid adhesive. I love the tip on this thing, you guys. It's got a super small tip. So I'm hoping when this is empty, I can just kind of refill it with some Eileen's tacky glue. But I got to tell you, the quality of the glue, and I understand this does come from the Dollar Tree, is really, really good. I also realized the other day that I have something called a fine line applicator fine tip that I could fill with glue. But look at that baby. That's got like a super fine tip on it. And then I'm wondering, I'm like, I wonder if that's a different kind of tip. No, it's not. It's basically the same thing. Uh-oh, that was kind of an extra thing up there. Uh-oh, I don't know what happened there. All right, so I do have that. And I was also watching a video last night. I was watching someone use this Aqua Tombow Mono liquid glue with a broad tip as well. So anyway, glue stuff. this is what's in my pen bag. I always think it's very interesting to see. It's kind of like what's in your purse, or what's in your go bag, or what's in your everyday carry bag. You know, it's always interesting to see what people choose to put in the crafty bag that they are going to use. So I thought that this would be a fun little start for the day. I'm going to close out this video, but the next video will be about, I'm going to go through the items in my binder and show you what kind of crafty items that I have put in each pocket of my crafty binder. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. See you later. Bye.